Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Alright guys, so here's an update what's been going on yesterday when the camera was malfunctioning, the battery was dying and everything. I got the rock covering the shallow part of the pipe there. I'll put in a little more rock around it a little bit to give support to it, and then I'll push dirt in on top of it. Got this put in this morning, and so that's what it looks like inside there. And this is what it looks like outside, and I need to put a couple more loads of rock, bucket loads of rock around here, and then I will backfill around it with dirt. What this here will be used for, I'll be able to set my pump up here, and I'll be able to pump irrigate out there in the field to sprinklers, or I can flood irrigate over here in the new orchard. Back down here, got most of the pipe in. I got one joint down at the far end down there left to go. I got to cut that piece in half or thereabouts and put it in the ditch, and then backfill all of that ditch there and this ditch here. So that's what's going to happen on here. And let me just set this up here and we will get at it here in a minute. Well, doing good so far. Leveled off here pretty good. Inside's looking okay. Starting to go down there. So I'm going to set this up over here. Yep, still recording. Cool. All right, as you see, sometimes you just need the beast to do the job. That drag box is a beast of a drag box. All right, so that's done. pretty much. I can just do some little fancy dress up with a rake. Now I got this. Well, everyone, that's it for this video. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, click the red button that says subscribe down there, turn it gray. Once it's gray, a little choice will pick up for notifications. Click the bell for all. That way you'll get a notification whenever I post a video. You don't have to watch it, just get a little email pop up saying, hey, Camppatton Family Compound has posted a video. Alrighty, and as always, stay happy, stay safe, and stay prepared, alright? And I'll see you in the next video.